Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick video about how to remove electrical range stove door. As you can see, I have a two electrical range stove front of me. I have a one white one from General Electrical, black one from Canmore. I'll show you two of those, but you can remove any stove door, follow the same steps. Now let's start. I will take a camera a little bit more closer, top of the door hinges, so you can see what I do to remove door. Let's first work with this white one. I have a camera top of my door. Just open your door. You can open all the way, whatever. First, then you can see there's two tabs. I'm gonna get my camera a little bit more closer. So we have this hinge, and there is two hinges. Top of the hinge, you see there's a little metal lock. Take the lock out. You can leave it here right now. Then this side too, remove both lock. Then you take your door at the 45-degree angle. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to close a little bit of your door here at like this angle, about like maybe 35-degree angle, and you can pull your door out. Now our both doors are open. To put it back, just follow the same steps. You put it at the 45-degree angle, open all the way. Now we are going to put those tabs back and close, open. That's all. Now we have learned with one. Now let's move to the black one. As you can see, I have this one, but I'm going to follow the same steps. Open door. This one will be a different hinge, but same steps. You have to move this tab. Probably I need to use my screwdriver for that one. Same tab. Same this way. All the way. All the way. Then you just close a little bit. Once you try to close, the door is out. As you can see, I'm going to bring a little bit more camera closer so you can see how the hinges look like. This one, they have a hook type. So basically they just hang it inside. As you can see, this little like rod inside, both sides. So this hook is going to hang inside when we're going to put it back. Now, let's put it back. See how? To put it back, we're going to follow the same step. First, we're going to go all the way up, let it hang, open. Now, close those tabs. That's all you have to do. Follow the same step. You can remove any electrical range stove door. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.